Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix important battery message in iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you're facing this type issue in the iPhone battery setting, you see an error, important battery message that your battery's health is significantly degraded and Apple authorized service provider can replace the battery to restore full performance and capacity. Or you're seeing any option here that your battery is not genuine or unable to verify this iPhone has a genuine Apple battery. So let's see some possible fixes about that. So the very first thing you just have to simply go back and you have to go to settings, go to general, go for software update here, and you just have to try to update your software. You have to make sure that you haven't any pending software update. If you find just try to update your software because pending software updates might have these type errors. And once you have updated your software, you have to try to make a first restart your iPhone to fix minor glitches. Not to do that, just quickly press and let your volume up, then volume down, then press and hold your power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. So let's try to restart our iPhone. Now to do that, just quickly press and raise your volume up, then volume down, then press and hold your power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, just unlock your phone. And here you have to check if your issue has been fixed or not. So open your settings app here, go for battery. And here, if it was a system glitch or a software glitch, it will be fixed in this tab. Or otherwise, you have a simple way. You just have to try to exchange your iPhone's battery to its original iPhone's battery. Or you can also try to contact the Apple Support team. Now to do that, open your Apple Support app. You can easily install it from your App Store, or you can use Apple Support Web. And here, just select your iPhone. Then select this More option. Look for battery. Select that. And here, just wait for this loading. Then tap on this check now. And here it will check for your battery performance. You can also skip this if you want to, or you can also continue to this check, then tap on this continue option, and here just let this get more help, and then tap on call this. After that, you found the phone number. Whenever you want to talk, you have to simply dial this phone number and you will be connected with the Apple Support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there. So after that, your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.